Imagine a future where the African continent as we know it no longer exists. Picture this, a vast new ocean stretching across the land, dividing Africa in two. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, it's a geological reality slowly unfolding before our eyes. Africa is splitting and a new ocean is being born. This incredible phenomenon is happening right now, in Eastern Africa. It's a slow process, taking millions of years to complete, but the evidence is undeniable. The Earth is shifting, cracking and moving, reshaping the very geography of our planet. This dramatic transformation is a testament to the immense power of nature and the ever-changing face of our planet. Join us as we delve into the science behind this incredible event and explore the implications for the future of Africa and the world. This journey will take us through scorching deserts, across vast savannas, and into the heart of volcanic regions. We'll uncover the secrets of plate tectonics, witness the awesome power of volcanic eruptions, and explore the profound impact this geological event will have on the people, animals, and ecosystems of Africa. At the heart of this continental drama lies the East African Rift System, a massive geological fault line stretching over 3,000 kilometers from the Afar region in Ethiopia down to Mozambique in southern Africa. Imagine a giant crack in the Earth's crust, slowly pulling the continent apart. That's the East African Rift. This rift is not a single fracture but a complex system of valleys, volcanoes and lakes, all formed by the gradual separation of tectonic plates beneath the Earth's surface. It's a place of intense geological activity, where the Earth's crust is being stretched and thinned, creating dramatic landscapes and unique geological formations. The most visible sign of this ongoing split is the Great Rift Valley, a series of deep valleys and escarpments that cut through eastern Africa. These valleys are home to some of the world's most iconic landscapes, including the Serengeti Plains and the Ngorongoro crater. But the rift is more than just a scenic wonder. It's a living laboratory where scientists can study the forces that shape our planet and witness the birth of a new ocean. The East African Rift is a place of constant change, where the Earth's crust is being pulled apart at a rate of a few millimeters per year. While this may seem insignificant, over millions of years, this slow but relentless movement is reshaping the African continent. To understand how a continent can split apart, we need to delve beneath the Earth's surface and explore the world of plate tectonics. Imagine the Earth's outer layer, the lithosphere, as a giant jigsaw puzzle, with each piece representing a tectonic plate. These plates are in constant motion, albeit very slow, driven by the heat from the Earth's core. The East African Rift marks the boundary between two of these plates, the Nubian Plate, which includes most of Africa, and the Somali Plate, which is slowly moving eastward. As these plates pull apart, the Earth's crust thins and stretches, creating the Rift Valley and triggering volcanic activity. Volcanoes play a crucial role in the rifting process. As the plates separate, magma, molten rock from the Earth's mantle, rises to the surface, erupting as volcanoes and creating new land. The East African Rift is dotted with active and dormant volcanoes, including Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest mountain in Africa, and Mount Nyiragongo, known for its massive lava lake. The volcanic activity associated with the rift is not just a spectacle, it's a key driver of the continental breakup. Each eruption releases molten rock that solidifies and adds new material to the Earth's crust, gradually pushing the plates further apart. The idea of continents drifting apart might seem incredible, but it's a process that has been happening for billions of years. The Earth's continents have not always been in their current positions. They have been constantly moving, colliding, and breaking apart in a slow dance across the globe. The most famous example of this continental drift is the supercontinent Pangaea, which existed about 335 million years ago. Pangaea was a single landmass that incorporated almost all of the Earth's land area. Over millions of years, Pangaea broke apart, eventually forming the continents we know today. The breakup of Pangaea is a powerful reminder that the Earth's surface is not static. It's a dynamic and ever-changing environment. The East African Rift is just the latest chapter in this ongoing story of continental drift, a process that will continue to reshape our planet for millions of years to come. By studying ancient rifts and continental breakups, scientists can gain valuable insights into the processes shaping the East African Rift today. These ancient events provide a glimpse into the future of Africa, revealing the potential consequences of a continent divided. Section 5. A new ocean is born, witnessing a geological marvel. As the East African Rift continues to widen, the land between the separating plates will eventually sink below sea level, allowing the waters of the Indian Ocean to flood in. This process will create a new ocean basin, effectively splitting Africa in two. This new ocean will take millions of years to form, but the early stages are already visible today. The Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden are considered to be the initial stages of this new ocean, formed as the Arabian Peninsula rifted away from Africa millions of years ago. The birth of a new ocean is a geological marvel, a testament to the immense power of plate tectonics. It's a slow and gradual process, but its impact on the planet is profound, reshaping continents, altering ocean currents, and influencing global climate patterns. Imagine standing on the shores of this new ocean, witnessing the vastness of the sea where once there was land. This is the future that awaits Eastern Africa, a future shaped by the relentless forces of nature. Section 6. Reshaping the map. Geographical impacts of a divided Africa. The formation of a new ocean will have a profound impact on the geography of Africa. The continent will be divided into two landmasses, the larger Nubian Plate to the west and the smaller Somali Plate to the east. The new ocean will create a significant barrier, separating communities, ecosystems, and even countries. The Great Rift Valley, already a prominent feature, will become even more pronounced, forming the coastline of the new ocean. Coastal regions will experience significant changes, with some areas submerged beneath the sea and others emerging as new islands. This dramatic reshaping of the land will have far-reaching consequences for the people and wildlife of Africa. It will require adaptation to new environments, the development of new transportation routes, and the redrawing of political boundaries. The geographical changes will be gradual, occurring over millions of years, but their impact will be significant, forcing us to rethink our understanding of the African continent. Section 7. Economic tremors. Opportunities and challenges in a changing landscape. The splitting of Africa will not only reshape the map, but also have significant economic implications. The emergence of a new ocean will create both opportunities and challenges for the countries affected. On the one hand, the new ocean will open up new shipping routes, potentially boosting trade and economic activity. Coastal regions could see the development of new ports and fishing industries, providing employment opportunities and economic growth. On the other hand, the separation of land masses could disrupt existing trade routes and infrastructure, leading to economic hardship for some communities. The loss of land to the sea could also displace populations and lead to competition for resources. The economic impact of a divided Africa will depend on how well countries adapt to the changing landscape. It will require careful planning, investment in new infrastructure, and cooperation among nations to mitigate the challenges and harness the opportunities presented by this geological event. Section 8. Life finds a way. Ecological impacts of a new ocean. The formation of a new ocean will not only reshape the land but also have a profound impact on the ecosystems and biodiversity of Africa. The separation of land masses will create new barriers for migrating animals, potentially isolating populations and disrupting ecological balances. However, nature is resilient, and life has a remarkable ability to adapt to change. The new ocean will create new habitats and ecological niches, leading to the evolution of new species and the diversification of life. Coastal regions will be particularly affected with the emergence of new coastlines, beaches, and marine environments. This will create opportunities for marine life to flourish and could lead to the development of new coral reefs and other vibrant ecosystems. The ecological impact of a divided Africa will be a complex and fascinating process to observe. It will be a testament to the adaptability of life and the power of nature to create new ecosystems in the face of change. Section 9. A New World Order. Geopolitical implications of a divided Africa. The splitting of Africa will not only have physical and ecological consequences, but also significant geopolitical implications. The emergence of a new ocean will redraw maritime boundaries, potentially leading to disputes over territorial waters and access to resources. The separation of land masses could also create new political entities, as communities on the separating plates may develop their own identities and governance structures. This could lead to new alliances and rivalries, reshaping the political landscape of the region. The international community will need to navigate these complex geopolitical changes carefully, ensuring equitable access to resources, promoting peaceful cooperation, and addressing the needs of communities affected by the changing geography. The splitting of Africa is a reminder that the Earth is a dynamic and ever-changing planet. It's a process that will unfold over millions of years, presenting both challenges and opportunities for humanity. By understanding the science behind this geological event, and working together to address its implications, we can navigate this new chapter in Earth's history and create a sustainable future for all.